Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to whiten teeth in Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys is add the image that you want to whiten teeth for. So go ahead and click on file and then go to open, or you can click on Ctrl+O. So once you click on open, select the teeth image and then click on open. As you can see guys, now we added the image. So we're gonna zoom in a little bit. And now once you add the image, go ahead and go to the layer, right click and then click on duplicate layer. Once you click on duplicate layer, then make sure you select the teeth. So you can use any selection tool. For me, I'm going to use the foreground select tool. Click on it, and then we're going to select the area. So make sure to select the area of the teeth. And then once you finish, give it a double click right here. And then we're going to finish the selection right now. So make sure you cover the teeth like this. So once you select the teeth, go ahead and right here in preview mask, go ahead and click on select. And now the teeth are selected. So now go ahead and click on add mask and then click on selection and click on add. Once you click on add, as you can see guys, now the selection is added. Make sure you click on the image and now go to colors, click on colors and then click on hue saturation. And then here you can either increase or decrease the saturation. So now I'm going to decrease it like this. And as you can see guys, now the teeth are white. I'm going to show you guys the image before and after. As you can see guys, this is the before and this is the after. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.